Sticking with taxes, the income tax. You mentioned sort of a multi-step path to a zero income tax. You talk about cutting it to three, then 2.5, then possibly putting it up to vote to the people to get rid
Hmm.
of it completely.
You have done your homework, Justin.
What is the timeline regarding that for you if you're elected to the governor's office?
Well, I'd like to be able to accomplish all of this in 4 to 8 years. Step one, as you mentioned, is to reduce the state income tax from 4.5% to 3% initially by cleaning out bunches of the $2 billion in cash giveaways that we have in our tax code in the form of deductions or exemptions or credits. Now, I always like to clarify for everybody, given some of the falsehoods my opponents have talked about, is that this tax reform work will never, ever uh, take on the all important sales tax exemptions for the manufacturing process and the agriculture process. But there's just plenty of room to work with so that when we go from 4.5% to 3%, it's what we call revenue neutral. We'll still have the same amount of tax collections coming in the door to pay for essential services. And step two is the same. Now, step three is a little bit more complicated. We will have to go to a vote of the people and say, do you want to have a Tennessee model that literally has an economy that's grown 58% more than ours over a 10-year period? And they don't have oil and natural gas. I know you went to school there, but they do have Opryland, but they don't have oil and natural gas. And or do you want to stick with the Oklahoma based model that basically punishes your time, your hours at work, your productivity? Well, an activity based model like Tennessee's is definitely more economically productive. So, the best example I can give everyone is for all of Oklahoma's City Thunder fans, the tickets that they pay to go for to a ball game, you don't pay a sales tax. But over in the state of Tennessee, if you want to go to an NBA Memphis Grizzlies game, you pay a sales tax. I think the people of Oklahoma would be happy to not pay income taxes on their work, but pay for some activity taxes like going to an NBA game.
Because you can say they're choosing to do those activities.
It's a free choice of their money, and they're deciding, yep, this is worth